guys. Grocery haul kita. Grocery haul tayo. It's fruit. I got this one. Sitaw. I got avocado again. Go on a salad. And orange and banana. And then, ito doon. Meat. Kung sabaw yan. Giniling. And fiber. I love it. Giniling. Then, meron akong grocery. Natural. I got also peanut. And I got this one for my dieting. For my diet. And I got this for my dieting too. Parang lahat na lang nasa sa akin. I got sugar. Gagawa ko ng manto mamaya. Mushroom. Garlic. I get a garlic. I got tofu. Yung favorite nila. Tofu. And I got butter. Yeah. I got juice. Binibigay ko yan sa mga nauuhaw. Binibigay ko yan sa mga nauuhaw. And that is for today's video. Wala na talaga akong guys, ang aking channel is stuck. Stuck. Lagi na lang stuck. Wala na talagang pag-asa. Pag-asang yumaman. Wala na talagang pag-asang yumaman guys. Mag-business na lang para yumaman. Okay? Yung maman guys. So that is for today's market haul. Okay, bye everybody.